Okay, welcome back. Again, personal finance muna yung tuturo ko sa inyo kasi that has been one of my passions talaga is to help you. If you don't know how to manage your money, you're still stuck in your finances, let me help you. I'll share with you my experience and it's up to you if you apply it in your life. Now, tapos na tayo, nag-track ka na ng income and expenses mo, then after that, nag-budget ka na. Tapos alam mo, the times 2, right? Kailangan mo na at least double ng budget mo yung kinikita mo. That's the starting point, right? Because nung ginawa mo yung formula na binigay ko sa'yo, sabi mo, ay, ba naman? Sobrang kulang ng kinikita ko ngayon. What next? Because of that process, di ba ano nangyari? Sumakit yung ulo mo. Because of that process, na-bothered ka. Nakulang lang pala yung sinisweldo mo. Kulang lang pala yung kinikita mo because dapat 2x, right? Since kulang yung sinisweldo mo, kulang yung kinikita mo, what next? Maghanap ka ng paraan para mag-increase yung kinikita mo. Simple lang yan. Do whatever it takes para at least yung kulang, you could supplement it. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. Pwede ka mag-sideline, pwede ka magbenta ng mga kahit kung ano-ano dyan. Gamitin mo yung oras na meron ka. You might be telling me na, Doc, 8 hours yung work ko. Pagod na ako after. After 8 hours, meron ka pa namang mga free time, right? I know pagod ka, pero how much is your dream life worth? You're giving me that excuse. But as an entrepreneur, did you know that I work from morning until evening, Monday to Sunday? So kung pagod ka sa 8 hours mo, pare-pareha lang tayo, merong 24 hours. Still, I maximize my time. I find ways to increase my income. If you're not living the life that you want, I believe that you don't have any right to say that as an excuse. Kasi paano yung pamilya mo? Kung naghihingalo yung pamilya mo, dapat kailangan mo to do whatever it takes para you could also provide for your family and also for yourself, right? Alam mo, sa una lang naman yung mahirap eh. Everything is really hard at first, but after you keep on doing it consistently, magiging easy na yan, magiging habit na yan, and then masyashock ka na yung 2x na income na kailangan mo, ang dali mo lang nahihit. So, whatever it takes. Did you know that when I was doing this process, I realized na kulang yung income ko dati sa clinic ko. So, nag-siomay ako, nagbenta ako ng siomay, nagpatayo ako ng lechon manok business, nag-put up ako ng laundry, water refilling station. So, kung ano-ano na lang yung pinagpuput up ko para it would help us supplement the income. Hindi naman talaga guaranteed that all the businesses that you go into magsasucceed. So the next session is that I will teach you more about business mindset. What are the expectations?